Suomessa on tutkittu puun eri ainesosien ominaisuuksia jo pitkään, mutta maailmanlaajuisen pandemian vuoksi tämän tutkimuksen merkitys on noussut esiin aivan uudella tavalla. Uutena jätehaasteena kasvomaskit ovat suurimmaksi osaksi tehty fossiilipohjaisista raaka-aineista. Näiden korvaaminen biohajoavilla materiaaleilla olisi tärkeää. Biohajoavuuden lisäksi puupohjaiset vaihtoehdot voivat tarjota myös luonnollisen polun bakteerien ja virusten vastaiseen taisteluun, vahingoittamatta meille hyödyllisiä tärkeitä mikrobeja.
So actually the problem with many of the current solutions is that they are generally toxic. They kill all the bacteria. And the worst case scenario is that they don't kill all the bacteria, they kill all the good ones, because the good ones are usually easier to kill than the real toxic ones. So then these toxic ones have freedom to grow. So this is like the worst case scenario of using this general methods.
Kasvit ovat kehittyneet miljoonien vuosien ajan vastustamaan bakteerien, sienten ja virusten hyökkäyksiä. Jopa kasvien rakenteellisissa hiilihydraateissa on merkittäviä antimikrobiaalisia aineita. Aalto-yliopistossa Monika Österbergin ryhmä on tutkinut ligniinin ja selluloosan nanohiukkasten ominaisuuksia taudin aiheuttajien leviämisen torjunnassa.
What we are researching is that we are looking into making different kind of coatings that could be used on textiles or on tables as a cheap and also a natural antimicrobial coating.
Our main focus have now been in this bacteria that causes hospital infections, this MRSI, and we have found out that some of Monika's products are able to kill those, but are not necessarily harmful for other microbes, because, well, world is full of microbes that are not harmful at all, and those we don't want to kill.
Kasveilla on lisäksi monia erilaisia toissijaisia aineenvaihduntatuotteita, kuten polyfenolisia yhdisteitä, joilla on monia tehtäviä, kuten taudin aiheuttajien tappaminen.
Because the trees need these compounds also for their own defense, so they need to fight against different pathogens, fungi, and other organisms attacking the trees. And usually these compounds are located in the bark of the tree, so it's kind of a shield against these nasty pathogens.
Tällä hetkellä puun kuorta ei hyödynnetä korkeamman jalostusarvon tuotteissa.
At the moment, most of the bark is still used for energy production in the industry. So we could use it in different cascade processes to first obtain these active compounds and then use also the rest of the biomass for different purposes before it's finally burned for energy.
Hiljattain perustetussa suuressa Suomen luonnonvarakeskuksen tutkimusyhteistyössä kehitetään nyt näitä yhdisteitä kaupalliseen käyttöön.
We have found already very promising results of different tree extracts, and the extracts have been tested and shown activity against different virus types, including enteroviruses, which are really nasty ones to kill, also with ethanol-based disinfectants. And then we have found activity against the seasonal coronavirus and also the virus which is causing this current COVID pandemics.
Hiljattain laaditussa julkaisussa Luonnonvarakeskuksen tutkimusryhmä kartoitti koko prosessin, jolla luodaan lisäarvoa puun kuoresta.
We have studied this kind of cascade processing, where the idea is that we first, for example, extract valuable polyphenols and other water-soluble extracts out of the side stream. It can be, for example, bark, and then they are utilized for high added value products. And then the remaining biomass can be still used for other processes. So we are kind of combining different unit processes together in order to get most out of the raw material. And after the extraction process, the residues have been, for example, taken to the slow pyrolysis process. And from that process, we can get out of tar and we can get biochar and then pyrolysis liquids. And those liquids are kind of a residue which can again be directed to biogas process, AD process, and from that we can get out of biogas, for example. And the solid residues can also be directed to this AD process. By this way, we can get really most out of the raw material.
Näihin puun ominaisuuksiin liittyviä havaintoja on sovellettu kaupallisesti Suomessa. Markkinoille on tullut biopohjaisia desinfiointiaineita ja antimikrobiaalisia pinnoitteita, joilla voi muun muassa käsitellä tekstiilejä.